Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to offer a percentage discount based on cart total in WooCommerce. For example, spend $100 and get 10% off your order. You can see it right now on the screen. Let's go ahead and set it up step by step. Go to WooCommerce Settings, Dynamic Discounts, then click Add New Rule. This will open the rule configuration page where we can create a new discount. Check Enable this discount rule so the rule can start working on your store. In the rule name field, enter 10% off orders over $100. From the discount type drop-down, select Cart Adjustment. This allows us to apply the discount to the entire cart total. For the example, we want the discount to apply to all products in the store, so we don't need to add any filters. Scroll down to the discount settings. Set the discount type percentage discount. Enter the value 10. This means the customer will get 10% off the entire cart. Type the title discount. I will show you later on. Now scroll down to the rules section. We'll add a condition. Cart subtotal greater than or equal to 100. This means the discount will only apply when the cart reaches $100 or more. Next, we have the discount bar option. Enable it to display a notification bar to inform customers that a discount has been applied. Then click Save Rule. Now let's set it on the storefront. Add some products to the cart. View the cart. As you can see, the subtotal is 40, so no discount applied. We try to add more products. Now the cart total is $100 and the discount is triggered. Sum exceeds $100, we receive a 10% discount on our cart subtotal. And this label appears because we have entered it while creating a rule. You can see the discount clearly displayed in the cart. And that's how you can create a spend-based discount in WooCommerce. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.